The Aquascape Smart Pond Dosing System XT makes it easier than ever to keep ponds, waterfalls, and fountains looking beautiful. To keep your water feature clean and clear, it is important to add the correct water treatments on a consistent basis. With the wide array of treatment options and dosing regimens available, it can be frustrating and time-consuming remembering which treatments to add, how much to add, and when to add them. This automated device is an electronically operated dispenser that accurately and consistently applies specially formulated water treatments to water features. The unit's durable, injection-molded housing is built to last, and if desired, can be concealed by partially burying the unit into the ground. The innovative hood design with mounted control panel effectively hides and protects the components from weather conditions. The XT is equipped with a convenient low treatment alert system which notifies you when a treatment bottle is 90% empty. Low treatment levels are indicated by a red light on the control panel or by an alert on your smartphone or tablet. The XT dosing system is great for water features of all sizes, from decorative fountains up to larger ponds such as recreation ponds. Setup is easy. Simply set the control panel for your water feature size and enjoy the benefits. Either manually select the setting or set automatically by connecting to the Smart Control app, which also allows you to receive alerts and monitor the controller on your smartphone or tablet. The system is designed for use with Simple Solutions XT treatments, which combine multiple treatments into single formulations to resolve a wide variety of issues, including cloudy water, unpleasant odors, and excessive debris. Treatments are available in half-gallon and gallon-size options. The Smart Pond Dosing System XT includes the durable enclosure, one control panel, one treatment intake assembly with low treatment alert, internal and external treatment tubing, and low-voltage transformer. If desired, it is easy to apply 2 different half-gallon treatments simultaneously with the optional controller add-on kit. At Aquascape, your paradise is our passion. We connect people to water the way nature intended. We've been creating and field testing water features for over 30 years to provide you with the most reliable products at the best value.